What is Staghorn Sumac and how do I identify it? Are you curious about Staghorn Sumac and how to spot it while enjoying the great outdoors? This fascinating plant is more than just a pretty shrub. It has a lot to offer in terms of wildlife support and even foraging opportunities. Let's break down what Staghorn Sumac is and how you can identify it in parks and campgrounds. Staghorn Sumac is a deciduous shrub or small tree that is native to eastern North America. You will often find it thriving in open fields, along roadsides, and in woodlands. This plant is a pioneer species, meaning it can grow in dry, rocky, or disturbed soils. It is commonly seen in areas that have been affected by fire or human activity. When it comes to size, Staghorn Sumac typically grows between 3 to 10 meters tall, which is about 10 to 33 feet. In some cases, it can reach up to 40 feet. It often forms dense thickets with multiple trunks connected to a single root system, giving it a shrub-like or small tree appearance. One of the key features to look for is the leaves. They are alternate and pinnately compound, which means each leaf has multiple leaflets arranged along a central stem. The leaves measure around 40 to 60 centimeters long and consist of 11 to 31 sharply pointed leaflets. These leaflets have finely serrated edges and are dark green on top, with a paler underside. The name staghorn comes from the young branches, which are covered in thick, velvety, reddish hairs that resemble the antlers of a young male deer. This hairy texture is a distinguishing feature, especially when compared to smooth sumac, which has hairless twigs. In June and July, Staghorn Sumac produces dense clusters of small yellow-green flowers called panicles. These can be up to 30 centimeters long. Each flower is about 3 to 5 millimeters wide and has 5 petals. By late summer, the plant produces clusters of bright red, fuzzy fruits known as drupes. These fruits are about 4 to 5 millimeters in diameter and contain a single seed. They persist into winter, providing food for various birds and small mammals. The bark of Staghorn Sumac varies as well. On older stems, it is smooth and gray to brown, while the young branches are covered in those dense reddish hairs. You can find Staghorn Sumac throughout the eastern United States and parts of Canada. It prefers dry, well-drained soils but can adapt to a variety of conditions. It often grows in prairies, old fields, and open woodlands. This plant can spread by seed and vegetatively through root sprouts, forming large clonal thickets. In parks and campgrounds, Staghorn Sumac is beneficial for wildlife. Its fruits provide food for many bird species, small mammals, and deer, especially during winter when food is scarce. Interestingly, the red fruit clusters can be soaked in water to create a tart, lemony drink sometimes referred to as sumacade. However, be cautious as the seeds inside are hard and not typically eaten. While Staghorn Sumac is not poisonous, it is important to differentiate it from poison sumac. Poison sumac has white or grayish berries that hang down and grows in wet, swampy areas. So, pay attention to the habitat and fruit color to avoid confusion. In summary, Staghorn Sumac is a distinctive shrub or small tree with velvety hairy branches, compound serrated leaves, and bright red fuzzy fruits. Its presence in parks and campgrounds contributes to habitat diversity and food sources for wildlife. Keep an eye out for this unique plant during your outdoor adventures.